Hello, dear viewers. Today we dive into the fascinating world of conspiracy theories, specifically the Flat Earth theory. Although it might seem like this theory belongs to the medieval ages, it has surprisingly resurfaced in recent years. Together, we will explore why some people still believe the Earth is flat, and what evidence they present to support their claims. Our goal is not only to understand these theories, but also to scientifically debunk them and show why the Earth is indeed round. The Flat Earth theory has its roots in ancient mythologies and religious texts. In ancient times, many cultures believed that the Earth was a flat disk, surrounded by oceans or other barriers. However, with the advent of scientific discoveries in astronomy, particularly the works of Ptolemy and Copernicus, the spherical nature of the Earth became an undeniable fact. Evidence from observations of stars, eclipses, and sea voyages clearly supported the round shape of the Earth. Despite undeniable scientific evidence, the Flat Earth theory is experiencing a modern revival. This phenomenon is often fueled by distrust toward scientific institutions and government agencies like NASA. Social media plays a significant role in spreading these ideas, leading to the formation of a community of people who consider themselves true seekers of truth. Education in science and critical thinking is crucial for understanding and debunking false theories like the Flat Earth theory. Scientific methods and evidence provide us with tools to verify facts and expose fallacies. This narrative aims to provide clear and evidence-based responses to the most common claims made by Flat Earth proponents. The first theory, the horizon appears flat. Flat Earth proponents argue that the horizon appears flat to the naked eye, suggesting that the Earth itself must be flat. They claim that if the Earth were a sphere, the curvature would be visible at ground level and easily observable without the need for advanced technology or high altitudes. Advocates for this theory often point out that when you look out at the horizon from a beach or a flat plain, it appears to be a straight line. They argue that this visual evidence is straightforward and does not require complicated scientific explanations. Some flat earthers argue that ships disappearing hull first over the horizon is due to perspective and atmospheric conditions rather than curvature. They claim that under certain conditions, the hull of a ship will disappear first because of the way light refracts in the atmosphere, not because of the Earth's curvature. They argue that even from high altitudes, such as from airplanes, the horizon still appears flat to the human eye. They suggest that if the Earth were truly a globe, the curvature should be noticeable from such heights. The Earth is approximately 24,901 miles, 40,075 kilometers, in circumference. This immense size means that the curvature is very gradual and not easily perceptible over short distances. The curvature becomes apparent when observed over greater distances or from higher altitudes. For instance, at sea level, the horizon is about 3 miles, 5 kilometers away, making the curvature nearly imperceptible to the naked eye. From higher altitudes, such as from aircraft cruising at around 35,000 feet, 10,668 meters, the curvature of the Earth becomes more noticeable. Pilots and passengers frequently report seeing a slight curvature of the horizon, which is consistent with the spherical shape of the Earth. Additionally, images from weather balloons and the International Space Station clearly show the curved horizon. The disappearance of ships hull first over the horizon is indeed due to the curvature of the Earth. This phenomenon can be consistently observed and mathematically explained. As the ship moves away, the curvature of the Earth gradually obstructs the lower parts of the ship first, until the entire ship disappears from view. This effect cannot be replicated with a flat surface. Gravity is an illusion. One of the most common theories put forward by Flat Earth proponents challenges the very existence of gravity. They claim that what we call gravity is actually an illusion caused by other factors. According to this theory, gravity does not exist as a force described by modern physics. Instead, Flat Earth proponents offer alternative explanations for phenomena typically attributed to gravity. Some proponents argue that the Earth is constantly accelerating upwards at 9.8 meters per second squared. This model is known as the universal acceleration theory. They claim that this constant upward movement creates the illusion of gravity, with objects falling to the ground not because of gravity, but because the Earth moves towards them. Others assert that what we call gravity is actually the result of density and buoyancy. According to them, objects fall because they are denser than the air and rise because they are less dense. This model completely rejects the concept of gravity as a fundamental force. The idea that density and buoyancy alone can explain why objects fall or rise is incomplete and fundamentally flawed without considering gravity. The hammer and feather experiment, whether conducted on the moon or in vacuum chambers on Earth, unequivocally demonstrates that gravity is a fundamental force that acts equally on all objects, regardless of their density. This evidence confirms that gravity is essential for explaining the behavior of objects in free fall and the principles of density and buoyancy. I have attempted to simplify and debunk the theories proposed by flat Earth proponents. I hope it is clear now that the claims of flat Earth theorists, such as gravity being an illusion, lack scientific foundation and are based on misunderstandings of physical laws. This topic is vast and multifaceted, and today's discussion only scratches the surface. There are many more theories and claims out there, and I plan to address them in future videos. If you have any bizarre theories you've come across or would like me to explain and debunk, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I will do my best to provide clear, understandable explanations that debunk these ancient theories. Thank you for watching the video and for your curiosity in seeking the truth.